Well, there's the little bird that you saved, Mummy. She come to see you. But that's not me. She's not here. She's working. Yeah. There you go. Got some food? No? Oops. There you go. The cat wanted you, that's for sure. Good thing I put her back in the house. Yeah. See? You recognize this place. You know, it's that great. Okay, yeah, I want the bird. I want the bird. You want the bird, right? You have to come back when your rescuer gets back. Hi. If you haven't done so, it would be appreciated. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.